Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel. I am super excited today, more so than ever before. And that being, I am here to announce that my new channel, Yokos Woman Food and Home, is finally launched. Yeah, you guys, I tell you, for those of you that did not hear my original announcement, let me just take you back just for a couple seconds. I made the decision, okay, about a week or so ago that I needed to split my channel. Okay, if you have been tuning in to this channel that we are on, you are aware that I do a combination of things on this channel. I do workout videos, I do food videos, I do vlogs, and I'm trying to introduce more home videos as well. And just was not working, you guys. So I prayed about it. I thought about it. I thought about it. I prayed about it. And it's like, this is not working. And you got to do something different. And you already know in life, change can be hard. It can be difficult, it can be challenging, but sometimes that is exactly what is needed, and that is change. So I made the decision that I needed to do exactly that and to change what I am doing as far as presenting my videos to you guys. So I made a decision to split this channel and make it exclusively the workout videos and to create a brand new channel that is dedicated to food and home. And that is a channel that I'm here to let you all know that it is up and running. And again, I am so super excited about it. And I tell you, it's a lot of work. It was a lot of work, but as soon as I settled down into my decision that that was what I needed to do, and I started moving towards that objective, and that is setting up that new channel, and it started to, all the little fragments and pieces started to come into focus. And, you know, I saw the banner and I saw my little profile picture, and I started uploading, you know, the food videos to the channel, and it all started to come together, and such peace washed over me. And I knew, okay, without pause, without hesitation, that it was exactly the decision that I needed to make. So you guys, the first video that I am launching on my brand new Yokos Woman Food and Home. And by the way, if you don't know what Yokos Woman, the acronym stands for, it stands for your own kind of special, because that is what I want to convey to all of you. We've got one life to live, okay? So why not make it your own kind of special, whatever it is that you endeavor to do? So that's how I came up with the channel name. So the first food video that I am sharing with you on my brand new channel is the Olympic Village chocolate muffin recipe. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yeah, it's really that super good. And I am so thrilled about it. We are entering into another season as well, starting to do more baking because the temperature outside is starting to quiet down, not as hot. So I am going to be definitely amping up my oven and some of the baked goods some more. And what a delicious way to launch my new channel, but to share with you that healthier version of a recipe that actually went viral. So you guys, I want to invite you to watch that video, to share that recipe with those that you feel would benefit from healthier versions of the things that we love. And while you're at it, please do share my channel as well, because that is what I aim to do on that channel, is to bring you healthier versions of the things that we love, to share with you some vlogs, and also to share with you some home decor and healthy home videos with you as well. So if you are excited about it, and if you want to join me on this journey, then I want to thank all of you so very much for staying with me, okay, being patient with me as I go through my growing pains and I go through these changes. So I will leave the card to my Olympic Village chocolate muffin recipe in the description, and also it's up there on the screen. And again, thank you so very much for being with me. And remember, my new channel, Food and Home, this channel, the workout videos, and I do hope that I see you on both platforms. And you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I will see you guys real soon. And thanks again.